Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we explore the most delicious and unique foods from around the world. If you're passionate about discovering new flavors and cultures, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting food journeys. In this video, we're diving into holiday specialties from global festivals. From Christmas feasts to Diwali sweets, these festive foods are filled with tradition, symbolism, and flavor. Let's explore the must-try dishes from every festive occasion. 1. Christmas in Poland, a 12-course feast of tradition. In Poland, Christmas Eve, known as Wigilia, is a deeply significant celebration filled with family, faith, and a truly unique array of traditional foods. The Polish Christmas dinner is steeped in customs and symbolism, with 12 different dishes served to represent the 12 apostles. The food is meatless, as it's a day of fasting before the arrival of Christmas Day. Key dishes in a Polish Christmas Eve dinner. Borscht beetroot soup. This vibrant red soup is made from fermented beets and served with small dumplings called ush. The soup symbolizes the blood of Christ, and the dumplings often contain wild mushrooms, adding a rich, earthy flavor to the meal. Pierogi are Polish dumplings, and they come in many variations. For Christmas, they are typically filled with mushrooms and cabbage or potatoes and cheese. They are boiled or fried until golden and are often served with a dollop of sour cream. Carp is a traditional Christmas Eve dish in Poland. It's often fried or served in aspic, with a light jelly made from the fish's bones and broth. The aspic symbolizes the fragility of life. Kusha, a sweet dish made from wheat berries, poppy seeds, honey, and nuts. This dish is often eaten at the start of the meal and represents prosperity for the year ahead. Cultural significance. The 12 dishes of Wigilia symbolize unity, prosperity, and the sacredness of the holiday. Each dish is enjoyed with family, and the meal is preceded by the breaking of the opłatek, a thin wafer, a tradition where each person exchanges good wishes for health and happiness in the coming year. 2. Diwali in India, a sweet and spicy extravaganza. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of India's most beloved festivals. It marks the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Families come together to celebrate with fireworks, prayers, and of course delicious food. The foods eaten during Diwali are often fried and sweetened, symbolizing the joy and light that the festival brings. Key dishes during Diwali. Samosas. Samosas are one of the most popular snacks during Diwali. These deep-fried pastries are filled with spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat, and are served with tangy tamarind chutney. Their crispy exterior and savory interior make them the perfect appetizer for a Diwali feast. Laddu, a round sweet made from ingredients like chickpea, flour, ghee, and sugar. Laddu is a beloved Diwali treat that is often prepared in large quantities and shared with family, friends, and neighbors. It symbolizes prosperity and good fortune for the coming year. Barfi, a fudge-like sweet made from condensed milk, sugar, and ghee, and flavored with spices like cardamom, pistachios, and rosewater. Barfi is often garnished with edible silver leaf, making it a visually stunning treat that signifies abundance and happiness. Chakli is a crispy, savory snack made from rice flour and spices. It's a perfect contrast to the sweetness of the other Diwali treats and adds a crunchy texture to the celebration. Cultural significance. Diwali is a time for celebrating family, new beginnings, and the victory of good over evil. The food plays a central role in symbolizing these themes, with each sweet and snack reflecting wishes for a prosperous and happy year ahead. 3. Lunar New Year in Vietnam, a feast for good luck. Lunar New Year Tet in Vietnam is one of the most important holidays of the year. It marks the beginning of the lunar calendar and is a time for families to reunite, honor their ancestors, and wish for good fortune in the year ahead. Food plays a vital role in the celebrations, with dishes that symbolize prosperity, longevity, and family unity. Key dishes for Vietnamese Lunar New Year. Chang. This traditional square rice cake is made from glutinous rice, mung beans, and pork, all wrapped in banana leaves. The square shape symbolizes the earth, and the cake is often shared with loved ones as a gesture of family unity and respect. A cylindrical version of siachenji is typically filled with mung beans and pork, or sometimes just sweet fillings, like coconut. It is a traditional dish that brings good luck and health for the new year. Pickled onions. These tangy, sweet pickled onions are served as a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the main dishes. They are thought to symbolize cleansing and are believed to help promote longevity. Thaut ko hot veet. This savory dish of braised pork with hard-boiled eggs is cooked with coconut juice, fish sauce, and sugar. It's a dish of abundance and is traditionally eaten to bring good fortune and family harmony. Cultural significance. Food during Tet is symbolic of prosperity, growth, and family connection. The dishes served during this time reflect wishes for a new year full of abundance, health, and good fortune. For Thanksgiving in Canada, a celebration of harvest, Thanksgiving in Canada is celebrated on the second Monday of October. Like the US Thanksgiving, it's a time to give thanks for the harvest and the year's blessings. The Canadian version of Thanksgiving is similar to its American counterpart, but with some unique regional twists and flavors. Key dishes in Canadian Thanksgiving: roast turkey. Roast turkey is the main dish for Thanksgiving dinner, accompanied by stuffing, mashed potatoes, and gravy. In Canada, stuffing often includes sausage, chestnuts, and cranberries. Poutine. Although not a traditional Thanksgiving dish, poutine is a beloved Canadian comfort food made of French fries, cheese curds, and gravy. Some Canadian Thanksgiving meals feature poutine as a side, adding a uniquely Canadian twist to the holiday spread. Butter tarts. This sweet, gooey dessert is a Canadian favorite, made with a buttery, sugary filling and a flaky pastry crust. Butter tarts are sometimes filled with pecans or raisins, making them the perfect treat to end a Thanksgiving meal. Pumpkin soup. This velvety pumpkin soup, made with spices like nutmeg and cinnamon, is a comforting starter. It symbolizes the arrival of fall and the abundance of the harvest. Cultural significance. Thanksgiving in Canada is about celebrating family, gratitude, and the abundance of the harvest. The food is a reflection of the country's close connection to nature and the importance of giving thanks for the earth's gifts. 5. Midsummer in Finland, a celebration of summer's bounty. Midsummer in Finland is a celebration of the summer solstice, marking the longest day of the year. It's a time for Finns to connect with nature, enjoy the great outdoors, and feast on foods that highlight the best of summer's fresh, seasonal produce. Key dishes for Finnish midsummer: grilled sausages, makara. Grilled sausages are a favorite food during midsummer celebrations in Finland. They're cooked over an open fire and served with mustard, potato salad, and pickled vegetables. New potatoes with dill. New potatoes are boiled and served with dill and butter, offering a light and refreshing side dish that showcases the freshness of the season. Fresh fish. Fish, such as perch or smoked salmon, is often served during midsummer, reflecting Finland's abundance of freshwater lakes and rivers. Strawberry soup. This sweet and light strawberry soup is a refreshing dish enjoyed during the summer months. Made from fresh strawberries, sugar, and cream, it's the perfect way to cool down on a warm midsummer day. Cultural significance. Finnish midsummer is all about celebrating the joy of summer, fresh ingredients, and the beauty of nature. The food is a reflection of Finland's connection to the land and the season of growth, a global taste of tradition. Holiday foods connect us to culture, family, and tradition. From the hearty meals of Christmas to the sweet treats of Diwali, each dish brings people together to celebrate. Which dish would you love to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures on Global Eats Uncovered.